Ah, way they go. 2A, Kim Possible, you got it all. And moving up by the Dugo, Anak Papato, running down on the inside, Speak Low, rushing up Reyes, Gold running 6, Newsmaker, 7th position, McClellan, then comes Solim Victus Conquista Royal, alongside Queen's Abbey 2, Reading Machine, yes, why not? Number 13, Flyboy, and 5 o'clock is running in 14. Speak Low by Hapalan Dugo, Anak Papato. Game Possible 2A, rushing up is Reyes Gold. And running by the run, Newsmaker, you got it all. Sol Invictus, Conquista Real down on the inside is yes. Why not? 2A, Kim Possible this time by Alan Canab. Reyes Gold from the outside, Newsmaker as the action swing towards the final corner. 2A Kim Possible, Reyes Gold from the outside, Newsmaker down on the inside, and Speak Low and Dugo Anak Papato. Yes! Why not rushing up from the outside? Three runners fighting up for the lead. Reyes Gold, Kim Possible, and yes, why not is now running in second. Reyes Gold, yes, why not? And finally, Reyes Gold, yes, why not? Kim Possible, Sol Invictus, Conquista Real for Pentafecta, Macalelon. 5 o'clock Newsmaker Speak Low. You got it all. Flyboy, Queen's Abbey Reading Machine.